Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum student. In last video we discussed properties of acid in details. Today we will discuss alkalis and pH scale. First of all, we will discuss alkali and bases. Bases are substances that react with acids and neutralize them. Many bases are insoluble. They do not dissolve in water. If a base is soluble and does dissolve in water, it is called an alkali. Bases are the chemical opposite of alkali. Bases are metal oxides, and when they dissolve in water, they are called alkalis. So, alkalis are bases which are soluble. However, it is important to remember that not many bases are soluble in waters. Alkalis can be just as corrosive as acids. A base is any metal oxide contain oxide ion O2 valency is minus, or metal hydroxide contain hydroxide ions which is OH negative. An alkali is a base that is soluble in water. Alkalis produce hydroxide ion when dissolved in water. Many bath, sink, and oven cleaners contain strong alkalis. Many soaps and washing powder contain weaker alkalis. Solution of sodium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide are examples of alkalis that we may have come across in science lessons. Alkalis are present in many cleaning substances in use in our homes. Indicators. Certain dyes change color depending on whether they are in an acid solution or an alkaline solution. Dyes which behave like this are called indicators. These are the most important indicators like blue litmus, methyl orange, methyl red, phenolphthalein, red litmus. Blue litmus turn red in acidic solution while remain blue in alkaline solution. Methyl orange turn pink in acidic solution and turn yellow in alkaline solution. Methyl red remain red in acidic solution but turn yellow in alkaline solution. When we pour some drops of phenolphthalein in acidic solution, it shows no change. But when we pour some drops of phenolphthalein, it turns into light pink colors. Red litmus remain red in acidic solution but turns blue in alkaline solution. What is pH? pH is power of hydrogen. Liquids and solutions that are neither acidic nor alkaline are said to be neutral. Pure water is an example of neutral liquid, and the color of litmus remains unchanged in it. Scientists use a pH scale called the pH scale to measure how strong or weak an acid or alkali is. 7. pH 7 is neutral. At room temperature, pure water has a pH of 7. Solution with higher concentration of hydrogen ion have lower pH and are considered acidic. But solution with lower concentration of hydrogen ion have higher pH than 7 and are considered basic. 8 to 14 are basic in nature. This is a pH scale. 7 to 1 shows acidic and above 7 shows base. In pH scale, 1 is gastric acid, on 2 lemon juice, on 3 apple juice, on 4 tomato juice, on 5 black coffee, 6 milk, and 7 is neutral, which is pure water. 8 egg, on 9 baking soda, on 10 pH hand soap, on 11 ammonia solution, 12 bleach, 13 and 14 concentrated solution of alkalis. A solution with a pH lower than 7 is acetic. The strongest acid have a pH 1. This is the strongest acid. A solution with a pH greater than 7 is alkaline, with the strongest alkali having the highest pH value, which is 14. The strongest alkali of all have a pH of 14. Universal indicator. We can measure the acidity or alkalinity of a solution with a special indicator known as the universal indicator. It is a mixture of several dyes obtained from plants. It goes a different color depending on the exact pH of the solution being tested. Student, in our last video, we discussed the neutralization. Student, I am repeating once again that when acid and alkali are mixed together, they cancel each other out. We say that they have neutralized each other. The chemical reaction between acid and alkali is called neutralization. The mixture of salt and water is neutral, so its pH is 7. The chemical reaction between an acid and alkali can be written as acid plus alkali. Salt and water is produced. Means after mixing acid and alkali, salt and water is produced. Neutralization in everyday life. Here are some everyday examples of neutralization. Sometimes our stomach make too much acid. This can cause suffer from indigestion. Indigestion tablets contain an alkali, which helps to cure the pain and discomfort. Sugar in our mouth produce acid, which make our teeth rot or decay. Toothpaste, which is alkaline, neutralize these acid. If we spill acid from a car battery, we can neutralize it by diluting it lots of water and then adding a slightly alkaline substance such as washing soda or bicarbonate of acid. Adding lime adding lime means an alkali to soil to reduce acidity. Adding lime to lakes to reduce the effect of acid rain. Taking indigestion tablets to treat acid indigestion. Using toothpaste to cancel mouth acidity. Acid rain damaging building and carbonate rocks. Acid rain damaging metal items like car. Wasp sting are alkaline, so we use vinegar to neutralize the sting. It is most important point. Student, remember it. Jazakallah student. Inshallah, we will meet in our next class. Allah Hafiz.